Hello, gang. All right, truck is all buttoned back up. You might be able to hear it, maybe not. But I've got the AC system being vacuumed down right now. Actually, I'm re-vacuuming it down. It held vacuum for 2 days, so I think we're good there. We are going to put some refrigerant in the system and hope everything kicks over the way it's supposed to. This system takes 1 pound, 6 ounces, so 22 ounces of refrigerant. I have 2 canisters. They take 12 ounces total, or 12 ounces each. That should give me 2 ounces of extra. I'm probably not going to get all of it out of the system. They're out of the canisters. So what I can suck out, I'll suck out. We should be good to go. So we'll show you how this all works here in a second. I'm going to go get started. (134A). Now how this works. This hose goes on here. We open the canister. Alright. Now we take off the screw up top. Now our nuts vent a little bit. That pulls air out of the system. Now, I'm going to go start the truck. This valve is the high side, it stays closed. Low side, we're going to stay closed for the moment. But once we start the truck up, we're going to open this side, let it run. Now it's about 90 degrees out. So when we're cycling, we should be looking for a pressure between 45 and 55 on this side. And about 250 to 270 on this side. So let's get the truck on. All right, truck is now on. So we're going to open this valve here. And we watch the sight glass. It is drawing coolant through. AC compressor just clicked on, so that's good. It's going to cycle. As we add more refrigerant to the system. So we are doing good. It's going to cycle longer and longer each time. Now, part of the issue is as we're pulling liquid out of here, it turns into a gas. That's going to phase change and get us there is still gas in here. I can feel it sloshing. Alright. We've got all the gas out of the system. So we close the valve again. We close the valve, we swap the canister. We reopen the canister valve. We purge out the line again. We open up line again. And we continue to let it draw coolant through. Guess I need a hose clamp for that. We'll deal with that later. Didn't have a hose clamp on it before, but it needs one now, I guess. Alright, we're still drawing coolant. We are, or refrigerant. We are sitting right at about 40. I'm going to close this valve for a second. I'm going to see where it stops. We're a little low. We're cycling between 30 and 40. We should be cycling higher than that. I'm going to open back up. I'm gonna go check the thermostat I got inside. Dropping down below 60 now. And we are sitting right at 45 and 250. That's about where we should be. Close this off. I'll also note that our AC compressor is at steady state. Since we're not quite at 90, I expect that's the appropriate temperatures. If we jump down to the 85 range, we're looking at 45 to 55. So we're right at 45. and 225 to 250. And we are just slightly over 250 and just slightly over 45. So we should be in the correct place. Our AC compressor is running full out, which is good. And we are doing about 50 degrees, but that's with no recirc and the window open. So I think we're in good shape. I'll disconnect everything off of here, but that's how you do it. AC rebuild and a few other things on this truck. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Sharps out.